Well, good morning. I came across a piece of news this morning as I'm just about to start my day. Let's take a look. This is this is kind of cute. I guess a dad created an app. Reply ASAP is the name of the app. Reply ASAP makes text messages unmissable between people that matter, since important messages shouldn't be missed. And basically, the app gives parents the power to lock their phone, to freeze their child's phone when they don't respond to text messages, making the device inaccessible. The feature should force teens to reply to their parents, since they won't be able to use other functions on their phone until they do. Now, this app was launched back in, I guess, 2017 on Google Play, and has been installed over 75,000 times. Only 75? 75,000 times. Now it says here that the app will soon be available on iOS. Now that's great, but maybe they should make an app to tell teens who to date. Okay, maybe not. Well, just remember that father knows best. Excuse me.